Serialization is the act of converting structured data to a format that lets us share and store in a form from which we can recover. Python supports serialization and deserialization of objects. Let's demonstrate that using the built-in pickle module. Let's import pickle and OS. Now X is 7. Let's move to the documents directory for the admin user. Open this file abcde.txt. We'll assume that this already exists. Dump the value of X into this file. The contents may not show up yet, so let's close the file here. The value of X has been dumped here. If we didn't want to actually pickle it, but find out what it would pickle, we use the dumps function. Now open it again in read binary mode and load from this file F. Get to the start of this file again. Now this is what it loads.